On today's episode, we're gonna test out the Dunkin Donuts bacon snack packs coming up.
Wait, I got you.
Oh, no worries. Do you guys have those bacon bag things that are like the new things that came out yesterday?
The snack wraps, or not snack wraps, the bacon snackins or whatever.
Yes.
Yes.
Can I please get 2 orders of those?
Yes, ma'am.
And then can I please get a small ice water?
All right, it's gonna be $5.85 with one of them.
Awesome, thank you so much. So literally, it's just a bag of bacon. Literally a bag of bacon of what we're going to review today. 4 pieces of very, very small pieces of bacon in here. It's an interesting concept, but in terms of carbs, I would be concerned as to how many creepy carbs are on there. I need to double check, and I'll pop a card up at the end or pop up another scene after I do some more research how many carbs are in it. But that, for example, is 1 piece. My eyelash is longer than that piece of bacon. So while it's great on the run, I could get it through the drive-through Dunkin'. It wouldn't be one that I would highly suggest getting like an A grade. This is more like a C-. So I need to check how much these cost, but this was the package. I got 2 of them. So the insides, let me show you the inside. This is the size of the bacon. There's 4 of these pieces. I gotta see the price point on it. It's definitely coated in sugar. It's a sugar piece of bacon. I'm excited Dunkin Donuts has this as a potential keto option. Whatever the price tag is for these shriveled little pieces of bacon. Look how little it is. It's so little. My little boy's gonna have a piece of it. It's got some sort of sugar coating on it. Let me pull up how many grams of carb grams it is. I don't know what the price tag is on it, but I'm gonna say this whole thing gets a C-. In terms of quality, In terms of quality, it's a very, very small. I mean, look at that piece of bacon. It's like smaller than my index finger. Look, it's a little C. It's small. It's small. The convenience is an A. I mean, to go through a drive-through and get this, that was an A quality. The price point, I need to check how much I paid, but I want to say it's $2 for these little pieces of bacon. Honestly, it would be better just not to eat anything and do intermittent fasting instead. I appreciate that Dunkin Donuts is trying to be inclusive with the ketogenic diet, but for these little packages of these little, I mean, look, it's a little nubbins, and only 4 nubbin pieces. Really save your money and buy a piece of bacon and just bring some with you if you really want to have bacon. But for on the run food, I guess this is good for the convenience. I'd rather have an iced coffee, and I'm having FOMO. Not FOMO. I'm missing out. I wish I had gotten an iced coffee with this. It is a good option, but it's covered, I feel like, in sugar. I need to double check that. So the Dunkin Donuts price is $2.79 per pack of the 4 small pieces of bacon. That's certainly, y'all, that's crazy. It's crazy for the little small amount that you get, but for the convenience of it, there you go. It is 10 carbs for that small amount of food. You might be better off getting a package of bacon or going to get some cheese, pepperoni, salami, some other sort of meat on the run. But in terms of drive-through convenience, it is a choice. Are there some better choices and easier choices? Yes, you can go to Starbucks and get their drive-through salami and cheese for, I think it's like 1 carb, and it's way more than this for $2.79. That is not an option. I did notice they had matcha tea, different lattes and things like that, which I got very excited about until I put them in my carb manager, and it was over 20 carbs for that. So that's also a no-go. But in terms of the bacon snack packs, it looked like they were 10 carbs per pack. I could see why. It does say on Dunkin Donuts website that it is flavored with brown sugar and also pepper. While it tasted really sugary to me, it tasted very sweet. I guess it's better than getting a donut. So if it's between a donut and this, you could definitely get this for 10 carbs and $2.79. We did get 2 packages of them, and 2 pieces of their bacon probably equals 1 equivalent to bacon, or maybe even 3 pieces of their bacon equals 1 real equivalent to like real bacon. So would I purchase this again? No. There's way other better choices. My final grade rating would be a D, incorporating price, convenience, taste, quality. The 1 A marker it did get was you can get a drive-through. Don't have to get out of your car to get it. So if you're, say, on a long road trip, this definitely would be something you could pull in and get, but there's other better choices that you could get from Sheetz or 7-Eleven, McDonald's, Burger King, things like that. Hope this video was helpful. If you did find it helpful, make sure you smash the like button, click subscribe, and get my free keto diet meal plan. If you are just starting the ketogenic diet, you can go ahead and check out my How to Start the Keto Diet e-course listed down below. Make it a powerful day. Bye, friends. Are you wanting to avoid making the biggest mistakes when starting the keto diet? Do you want to start the keto diet off on the right foot? Well, there's great news. You can stop the yo-yo madness with the How to Start Keto Diet Easily course. I'm Elizabeth. I have lost 75 pounds and helped thousands of other clients lose weight through the ketogenic diet. I've had clients and myself personally being anxiety ridden, depressed, and sad to lose their favorite foods. And literally with the keto diet, I figured out how to live the keto lifestyle the past almost 3 years while losing 75 pounds with a partner and a kid who don't eat on the ketogenic diet. And I have created the How to Start the Keto Diet Easily course for a busy woman who wants to lose the weight and who wants an easy system to do that. So click down in the description link below and you can add this e-course to your cart.